This is Shorthammer. It is the 10th of May 2019, and we're looking at Team. On the 9th, Goldman Sachs upgraded Team from 115 to 125. It made that entire move intraday. Now, their thesis behind the upgrade was that they felt the consensus billing estimates were lower than their projections, and they felt deferred revenue seasonality should normalize following the previous quarter's underperformance. Now, the reason that deferred revenue came in low for the prior earnings quarter was because last year they told quite a few of their clients that, hey, in 2019, our prices are going up. You can choose to prepay and pay a lower rate, or you can wait till next year and pay a little bit more. A bunch of their clients chose to prepay for their services. So they didn't lose any market share or lose clients. They just had a bunch of clients prepay last year for this year's services. Now, from a technical standpoint, what we're going to be watching for on Team is this quarterly pivot. Now, for a long play, we'll be watching two different entries: a break above the previous day's highs, and I'll get long and trail this all the way into this 125.96 area and see if we break and test the 128. The other long play is if we pull back to the quarterly pivot and hold, and buying pressure comes in, I'll get long with a stop being a break below the quarterly pivot, and I'll trail it all the way up and move my stop as we go, seeing if we break the previous day's highs and get through this 125.96 pivot area here. The other trade is a short trade. If we pull back and go below the quarterly pivot, I'm going to get short and expect us to go down, at least test these lows at 123.25, or go to the 122.44 to 121.63 area. During the initial run up, we did see a little bit of rejection here, but then the buying came in and sort of pushed us through that level. So we'll see if we get a retest of these levels, or if we just see a pullback or a pop and a break to the upside. We have no bias. We'll just see what the chart gives us tomorrow.